Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn on PiP on iPhone. That is how to turn on picture in picture on iPhone. To turn on the picture in picture on iPhone, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, the next thing I want you to do from here, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So let's tap on general here. So once you tap on general, I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see where they wrote picture in picture. So I want you to tap on that picture in picture. So once you tap on that picture in picture, it will bring up another page for you. So on this page, you can see it says start PiP automatically. So what this means is when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture in picture. So to turn this on, if you check it, you're going to see like a check mark at the front of that picture in picture. So just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will be turned to green. So once this thing turns to green, that means you have successfully turned it on. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on picture in picture on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.